Hello guys, what's up? Welcome into a new video tutorial. Today we are building our brand. Today we are building our brand on social media because we are about to go into the Overapp and I'm going to show you how to use the Overapp layout collections to build your brand. Obviously, when I say building your brand, I mean being consistent with your brand color, your mood board, or whatever you do for your brand using those Overapp layouts. So if you're not familiar with the Overapp is a graphic design app that I cherish a lot. And so to be consistent and for people to recognize you as a brand online, you need to keep doing the same thing over and over and over. So as I was saying, as I cherish the Overapp, as I made some layouts for you to use, we are going to take advantage of this in building our brand using those Overapp layout collection. Let's go. Once again, for those who don't know me, hi, what's up? My name is Justine Lamer. Welcome here on this channel. On YouTube, I love to talk about editing, tutorial, business, productivity, and graphic design. So if you're into that kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now before we keep going. And thank you for being here and thank you for watching. All right, see you on my iPad. All right, here we go. We are into my iPad. We are going to go into how to use the Overapp layout collection to build a brand. This is simple. We are going to start with plus here. And over there, you see layout collections. So go into see all. And so here you will have access to all layout collections Over is offering. So you guys, disclaimer as usual, know that I'm using the Over Pro subscription. So if you are not able to use some of those layouts, it's probably because you are using the free version of Over. I believe in the free version of Over, you have access to some of those layouts, and I think one of them is the minimalist one. This one, retail modern minimal. If you are paying for Over monthly, or if you took the 1-year subscription like me, you will be able to use those. So I think with the free version, you also have the essentials layout here. So that would look like this, and from there you can build your brand using all of those templates. So for this video, I'm going to build my brand with one of those templates. So we have the great outdoors. That's pretty cool. Looks like some kind of scrapbooking. We have the vibrant vibes, so really vibrant colors. We have the all that glitters. Really like that as well because I do love those blobs, and a couple of other. I really love the cover story one. They're really cool. All right, so we're going to choose one for ourselves, and I guess we can use the one that I like, which was the Love Assembly Lifestyle. In those layouts over here, you can see that you have 4 to 5 Instagram portrait posts, square post, stories, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook cover. Anyways, you have a lot of things. Here is another YouTube channel art, like thumbnails, you know, blog, header, title. That is awesome as well. Look at this. All right, really love that. So how to make it ours though? Because, you know, like I don't have those colors. Like this is really pretty, but this is not me. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to start making like an Instagram post using this layout. So we're gonna use all of those templates in that layout, but I'm not gonna do all of them with you today. Otherwise this video will be infinitely long, but we can start with making an Instagram post and brand it for ourselves. Like something that looks like our brand. I'm very sorry if you're hearing some noises on the back. This is Miko playing with his bone. Let's get started with this. So as I was saying, here is our Instagram post. So it's 1080 by 1350. Those little flowers are super cute, but as you can see, when I tap on it, I can edit replace, duplicate, delete, copy, or paste. If I go into my layers over here, so if you have no idea what I'm talking about there, just watch my video over app tutorial for beginners. You will have a complete tutorial of everything that you can do into the over app. So it's really complete. So watch that video if you kind of lost right now. So anyways, the layers, as I was saying, here are all the layers that the over app used. As you can see here, you can add pictures, so you can move stuff around. They have locked couple of their elements because they don't want you to touch it, or either it's supposed to be there, so you don't have to touch it anyways. If you want to move it around, you just unlock it. That's that simple. You can lock it back by click and hold and lock, so you're sure that that thing will not move. Whatever you do, if you click on it, you can do nothing, okay? Anyway, so let's start by hiding the color of our brand, okay? So here we're going to go into the background, and that is the colors of the design. We want the color of our brand, and my brand color palette is here, so we're going to use this one. I want the back of this to be this color or that color. I think that color will look the best. Check mark. Then I want to use other thing that those little flowers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I like where they are placed, so I'm just gonna click on it and do replace. And you can see what collections they use for the flowers. So you can either use another flower from that collection, or go in collections that you collected, or go into the latest collection or the latest graphics. I love latest collection. Wild Garden. Let's use maybe this and make it a little bit bigger, so you can do edit and go into size. We're going to rotate it a little. Okay, I really like that. Now I'm going to duplicate this graphic because I want 3 other of the same. Okay, and we are going to select each one of them and move them. All right, here it says tap towards the description or try to keep short and sweet. And this is the big title. So for my Instagram post, for example, I would write something like, and I also want to use my font from my brand. Why? Because we are branding these templates. So we're going to use, my font is Montserrat. So this is what I'm going to use. And here saying this is not the font of my brand, so watch my new tutorial. So here is our little text, and we are obviously going to use my font. So here you did your own branding. Now you're going to add the picture of your choice, and here you have another picture on the back, so maybe we can use this. There you go. And so you have a branded template for Instagram. Why not? And you're always going to use the same one. Add another page, duplicate this page, and now you can use this one. You can edit it and change the background to have multiple different posts that will look the same, but yet different styles. All right, let's do an Instagram story now. So same as before, we're going into the plus, we're going into our layout, and we're going to choose the layout that we love, which is our assembly lifestyle. And this is a pretty similar, so let's choose another one. Let's do this one, for example. All right, so same, we're going there, and those are locked, so you can unlock them to change them or keep them like this. So we're going to start by adding pictures. So you can go into your photos, and now I am going to change everything around because this is not looking like my brand at all. I'm going to change this, so I'm going to unlock it. So we are selecting it and we're going to edit it, and to change the color you just go into tint. We're going to change the opacity to an 100, and we're going to change the color and use the color of a brand. So once again, you go in the little arrow, choose your color palette, and now your color palette is here, and you just switch to see what color will fit the best. I'm gonna go with this. If you don't want it to move, hold it and lock. In the title, I'm gonna write whatever, and I'm using Montserrat. We have more, so we are going going to change this. Maybe we can change the tint as well. So maybe you can do opacity 51 and choose the color of your brand. And we have that writing here, so you can lock it again to not do any mistake. And here that is locked, so we're going to unlock it and then click on it, change what it says. Here you go. Use one of our own font, make it bigger if you'd like, and obviously you will need to change the color and use the color of your brand. Once again, you used a layout from the Overwrap collection and you made it your own and brand it. You can do the same for each single one of those templates here. And just like that, this is done, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you learned something today, and I hope you're gonna make a brand so amazing that you would love to post on social media every day. I hope I made it easy for you to understand the Overwrap and how to use Zoo's layout collection. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please, if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this video. If you have any question, leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to help you. And until next time, take care, and I will see you Friday. Bye.